It's not an acronym. It's a place in the Bible na ni Jesus binrought back yung life ng isang anak ng widow. So doon ko po kinuha yun. It's Luke verse 7:11. So, our projects will continue po ito. We have what do you call this? Each one plant one. So we are also in tie-up with DNR, the Bureau of Forest and Ministry. Ini-encourage po namin ang bawat isang tao na magtanim ng isang halaman. Like, I'm a devout Catholic before, and I'm proud to say na sumulat po ako kay Pope Francis telling them that if possible, aside, imbes na mag-light po tayo ng candle sa simbahan, though it's a prayer, it's a sign of worship, sabi ko, after a while, it will die down. So, may intention ka, gusto mong makapasa sa board yung anak mo, magla-light ka ng candle. So, after this, yung candle, wala na. So, if meron kang isang tree na para doon sa intention mo at inaalagaan mo, you will water it every day hanggang makita mong tumangkad na si tree, naka ano pa ng shade, helps ng shade para hindi mainit. So this will be if ilang milyon ng Pilipino, ilang million trees din. And I received from Pope Francis a letter and thanking me na maganda yung project for the Catholic here in the Philippines. And then we have also a project for second chance project for the senior citizen. So, before umalis po ako sa Turkey, meron po akong project na i-continue. It's kasi minsan pag senior citizen na, nawawala na po tayo ng work. It's good, you have your ministry, it's good, andito kayo, pero paano po yung iba? So, I'm talking to the Hotel Association of the Philippines kung sana bigyan yung kanilang hindi light day nila na ang magiging, what do you call this, mag-i-entertain or frontliners nila ay senior citizen. So, these projects, even yung pong youth namin, meron po din silang sariling project kasi I like that One Vote will be continuously serving the people. It's not only on the election. Gusto po namin may maiiwan kami sa puso nyo na ito, this is brought to you by One Vote. And I would like also to invite everyone. We're going to have the Interfaith Forum. This will be on August 31st. You are all invited to go there. It's free. At lahat po ng religion ay kasama. So this is, again, introducing One Vote to different religions. So we have also a project. We are awarding the farmers. You know, ang mga farmers po are feeders of the world. And I would like also to invite you during the awarding para naman po yung mga farmers natin ay bigyan ng lakas na loob na lalong magtanim. Kasi nale-left out sila eh. Andyan lang kayo sa bukid eh. Why don't we give them an award para naman po lalong sipagin? So this is also one project of One Vote, Boto Sagrado. So baka meron po diyang gustong magtanong, i-open forum na po natin kasi si Pastor PJ po ay nasa isang merong meeting, no? So, baka po merong magtanong sa inyo at whatever we can do or we could have a tie-up, it is possible naman po sa amin.